You're not alone in facing challenges in trading. Sometimes it feels like nothing is going your way, but that doesn't mean it's the end. I know how hard it is to deal with setbacks, especially in the beginning. But don't worry, I'll help you avoid these mistakes and teach you how to use my simple strategy that can deliver results. My name is Evelyn and I'm a professional trader with 10 years of experience. Over the years, I've developed a system that has helped 40,000 people achieve success in trading. With it, they've started making significant changes, buying homes, apartments, traveling, and bringing joy to their loved ones. Yes, just imagine that. I believe you can do the same. In this video, I'll show you a simple strategy that I've personally been using for the past 3 years. Today, I'm sharing this strategy with you. You'll see how it works and understand how you can start applying it right now. So watch this video until the end. You have a chance to start trading with a new approach. Before we begin, let me tell you about my trading community, which already has more than 40,000 members. Every day I host live trading sessions where I show how I trade, which trades I open and close, all in real time. Just yesterday, my community members achieved outstanding results, and many of them were complete beginners. If you want to trade under the guidance of a professional, I invite you to join my Telegram channel. Access is free, but spots in the community are limited, and I'm looking for the most dedicated traders. We'll be able to communicate directly, and I'll help you with any questions. Join now through the link in the description or the first pinned comment. Now, let's continue. All right, let's get started. Today I'm kicking off with just 12. We'll also be using the alligator indicator today, my personal predator that senses where the market is heading. If its jaws open upward, we expect growth. If they open downward, it's time for a decline. Adding this pair, this one, and this one. Today, I'll show you how even a small amount can be used to build a solid strategy. It's as simple as this. We watch where the indicator is pointing, wait for the perfect moment, and enter the trade. No chaos, no guessing, just precise decisions. Ready? Let's go. All right, first pair of the day. I see an uptrend. The indicator lines are confidently pointing upwards, almost as if they are saying, hey, everything's going according to plan. The downward correction has ended. It's time to resume upward movement. Let's go up. The first trade just like the first pancake, but luckily no lumps. See? Nothing complicated. A little patience, a bit of attention, and it all works out. Next up is the Australian and the Swiss. We're now at 23. Looking at the chart, and we have a completely different picture here. The trend has shifted, kind of like your mood on a Monday, and is now heading downward. The indicator lines have turned and are pointing straight down. There was an attempt to break upward, but a red candle quickly put things in order. Let's go down before the market changes its mind. It worked out just as expected. We are now at 44. Slowly but surely. Let's keep building the pace. Moving on to these guys. Don't forget to update the value. All right, what do we have here? Oh, this is what I like. The trend reversed upward, but the price decided to mess around and dropped for a correction. But our indicator, like an experienced captain, is already turning the wheel upward. This is the perfect moment to go up. Honestly, it's simple. We wait for the market to wink at us with the right signal and don't rush in. The key is to avoid random moves. This isn't a lottery. Let's keep going. Let's go back to our first pair. This one will be at 84 now. And here we go. A full-fledged reversal has happened. The indicator lines have turned downward. The downward movement is picking up speed. No time to waste. We're going down. Amazing, guys. Remember, it's crucial to act immediately when the right opportunity appears. So pay close attention. All right, moving forward. What do you think of those results? And this is just the beginning. Have you ever wondered why some traders consistently achieve success while others don't? The answer is simple. strategy. In trading, you can't just act randomly. You need to know when to enter a trade, when to exit, and which mistakes to avoid. That's why in my private community, I analyze trades daily, break down the market, and show my entry points live in real time. More than 40,000 people have already joined and follow my live sessions. Some apply what they've learned, others use my breakdowns for practice, and many have already improved their financial situation. Want to see how it works? Everything is completely transparent. Click the link in the description under this video and join my trading community on Telegram. Now, let's continue. We see a classic situation. The price shot up sharply but then stopped, like it had second thoughts. And then bam, it came right back down. This means buyers didn't have enough strength and now the market, like a popped balloon, is deflating downward. The indicator lines are also hinting at a reversal and we know how to read the hints, so we're going down. Alright, we've officially made it halfway through today's session and now we are at 309. Starting to see the pattern? The key is to pay attention to the details. The market whispers all the time. You just have to listen. Let's keep going. So it's the Australian and the Swiss turn again. What do we see? The trend is down, the market is quiet like it's waiting for a storm, and the indicator lines are tangled up kind of like old earphone wires. But then a strong red candle appears, swallowing the previous ones like a hungry colleague student devouring a pizza. That's our cue. We're confidently going down. What an awesome strategy! It never lets us down. We're now at 593. Things are looking up, or in this case, down. I want to return to this, guys, but with a different value here. I love classic setups. Downtrend, correction upward, and at the very peak of this movement, we're going down. We only trade by the rules. No unnecessary risks. Feels like I'm on fire today. We're at 1,138. I don't want to slow down, but we shouldn't overdo it either. So let's wrap it up with a couple more trades. Back to this pair again, but with a different value. Trend is up, indicator lines are smiling at us, signaling come on in. The correction reached the indicator and bounced off. This is like hitting a ball, it's only going up from here. And now we're at 2,184. Hope you remember where we started. The key to this is not guessing, but waiting. The market is like a movie. First the hints, then the climax. Just don't blink. Returning to this pair again, this will now be at 2,184. Alright, let's give it a shot. We see that the market is trying to flip upward, but it's not quite happening. The indicator isn't in a rush to turn around either. That means it's just a temporary hiccup. The downward move will continue, going down. Who would have thought that 12 could turn into this? Alright, time for our final trade. I'd like to finish with the Canadian and the Japanese. We're now at 4,193. Now, this is interesting. It's like the final match of a championship. Buyers are trying, but they just can't push through. The indicator is already tilting downward like the setting sun. Perfect timing, let's go down. $8,050. Impressed? I am not, because for me this is normal. The key is to stay focused, wait for the right moment, and never rush. That's how you get results. Remember the starting amount I began with? And now? Seems unbelievable, doesn't it? But I've proven that it's possible when you follow a tested strategy. Want to do the same? It's absolutely achievable. To help others reach their goals, I share valuable insights with my 40,000 subscribers on my Telegram channel. I personally guide all beginners, explaining how to use the trading platform and which buttons to click. Everything is detailed and step by step. So I'm waiting for you on my channel. The link is in the description under this video. That's all for now. Take advantage of the opportunities life gives you. There is a reason this video found you. See you soon!